This is what I've thought. Kama wewe uko na LinkedIn account na already umesha upload your CV there, kindly don't forget to keep on updating your CVs. Because what I've seen, my friends, unaona, whenever there is an opening, you always get a notification. And one thing I love about it is that kuapply job is just a tap the button. Now umesha apply. This is for people who have already uploaded their CVs there. But I want to remind you that anytime you get an achievement, usisahau kwenda kuupdate CV yako pale LinkedIn. The other day we advertised 2 positions in our circle, and let me tell you guys, we got over 1,000 CVs, and believe me that 90% of those CVs, they were not up to date, they were not updated. Others were so contradicting. So please, ukishaweka CV yako pale, first of all, make sure that it is well updated. Number 2, any kind of achievement, keep on updating your CV. Then make sure that it is very well written. If you're not able to write a CV, kindly go consult these professionals. There is the corporate staffing, they do write the CVs, and others that I don't know. Please give them and tell them to write for you a good CV before you upload it anywhere. Even when you're sending these CVs to recruiting bodies, make sure that they are very well written. They are very well written. Don't just wake up and send a CV, you've not updated it, because there is an opening, you just tap the button and you think that you have applied. Let me tell you, the competition is very, very high. Very high. And for you to stand out, you must make sure that you have a very nice CV. So kama una doubt that your CV is not well written, please go. You better pay that recruiting bond is right for you, and to make sure that your CV is good. So don't just apply the job and then you sit down. Una apply like 500 jobs na hujawahi hitwa hata moja interview, and then you start wondering, unasema that una nyota ya kuajiriwa. No, please go back, check your CV. Angalia the way you've written your CV, the way it is aligned, vile inafuatana from what to what, because this is what the recruiters check. Ukinipatia CV yako, I will not keep on ati huko niko kwa CV, I'm looking to get your experience, at where is your education. No, it should come out clearly. Yani as in like nikifungua hivi, I'm able to see all the information that I need. I'm not an HR, but please let us keep on updating our CVs. Any achievement, go back to your CV, update it, so that guys, you can stand out all these others. And let me tell you, and these small skills that we get, please don't assume them. These are the ones that will make you to stand out all the other CVs. Because kama nimeitisha an accountant, do you know the number of people who have done accounting? Very huge number of people who have done accounting. If it is sales and marketing, the same. If it is engineering, a huge number of people have done engineering. But what is that small thing that makes you to stand out, that makes you to outshine all the others? Those are the small skills that you read, that you get. If it is communication skills, if it is computer skills, it is any kind of small skills that you get, even cooking. Make sure you update your CV, because this is what will get you a job. From me, guys, cheers, and all the best for them who are waiting to go for the interviews, and all those who are looking for the job.